Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim for swing trading, step by step. Swing trading involves holding positions for a few days to several weeks, aiming to profit from price swings. Thinkorswim provides powerful charting and analysis tools perfect for this strategy. First, let's set up your workspace. You will want to arrange your charts, watch lists, and order entry panels for quick access and clear visibility, ensuring an efficient trading environment right from the start. Next, let's dive into charting. For swing trading, focus on daily or 4-hour charts to spot significant price movements. Key indicators like the 20-period and 50-period moving averages, MACD, and RSI are essential. These help you gauge trend strength and potential reversals. You will want to set up your charts to clearly display these indicators, allowing you to quickly identify strong entry points when multiple signals align, and plan your exits effectively. Now let's talk about placing and managing your trades. Thinkorswim's Active Trader or Trade tab makes order entry straightforward. You can place market, limit, or stop orders with just a few clicks. Crucially, always set a stop-loss order to protect your capital. This is non-negotiable. Also, consider using take-profit orders to lock in gains once your target price is reached, ensuring you capture profits consistently and manage risk effectively. Finally, effective risk management is paramount. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. This is a golden rule. After each trading period, take time to review your trades. Analyze what worked and what did not, learning from both successes and mistakes. This continuous review and adaptation will refine your strategy, helping you become a more disciplined and profitable swing trader over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.